Tender is the night, lying by your side. Tender is the touch of someone that you love too much. Tender is the day the demons go away. Lord, I need to find someone who can heal my mind. Come on, come on, come on, get through it. Come on, come on, come on, love's the greatest thing. Just giving everybody a bit of a preview about what's coming up in this lesson. How are you doing? My name's Dave Donoghue, the guitar coach. I put up lots of song lessons, lots of philosophy lessons to do teaching on YouTube and everything else in between. If you want to keep up to date, just hit subscribe below. And if you find this lesson of value, feel free to hit the thumbs up and spread the word. Thanks. I have another Blur lesson done for coffee and TV as well. Let's get into it. I am going to begin with the intro. What is what I begin with, I suppose? The picked part. Now, if you want to skip ahead to the chords, cool too. Just said I'd include this. So, we get 2nd fret on G, and there's a tab as well listed below this, a handwritten tab, and I'm working off an Ultimate Guitar song sheet for the chords, which have been fully proofed as well. So, I'm using my middle finger for all these notes. 2nd fret on G, open B, hammer on, open B to 2nd of B, open B again, 2 on G, and start that again, then open E, then a hammer on, open B again to the 2. All together. And this is the melody, oh why. So we get 2nd fret on B, then we get ring finger on 3, pull off to 2 of B, pull off to open B, or else 3, 2 and hit the 0. And then we fit in a sneaky little hammer on 0 to 1 on G, and I catch the B and the E string with my fingers. So far we get. Then, Now that's an open B string then, hammer on 0 on 0 on B, and then 2 on G. And that leads us into the chords. Now at times you will have noticed in the preview I used open chords, other times bar chords. Both work really well. So I will vary for this lesson. So for now, I'll use it's A, G, A. That's all the verse. Okay, so it goes, and it's all downs I'm doing really. It's going, tender is the night. Okay, 1 up. 1 down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down, down. And G, and A. So I'll loop that. So it goes A again, G, back to A again, G, back to A. Now with bar chords, A again of course, G, back to A. That's the E major bar chord shape, and you just slide it down 2 frets to the 3rd fret then. Okay, and there'll be a link to a bar chords lesson in the description below as well. I cover them in more depth in different videos. So that is all the verse. Now let's move on to the chorus. Or sorry, I'll play the verse once. So I go 1, 2, 3, 4. Tender is the night, lying by your side. Tender is the touch of someone that you love too much. Tender is the day the demons go away. But I need to find someone that can heal my mind. Here we go, we're on to the chorus, the epic chorus. Okay, I'll start with bar chords this time because the thing is it's A, D to C, which you'd have if you're an open chord player. Bar chords, you have A, the D is down here, it's 5th fret on A, and down 2 frets to C. You may recognize this one better. The A major shaped bar chord. I just like to do this one. So we get this. We get come on, come on, come on. Then D, get C. I'll do that again. So it goes A, 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 D, D, C. And again, come on, come on, come on. Love's the greatest thing. That is C sharp minor, which is your A minor bar chord shape. And just love's the, then go back to D, greatest thing. That's a reason I'm a fan of using bar chords for all this section, because we have to play that one as a bar chord. And if we go back to open chords, we're taken out of position, which is a fast move, and the tone changes quite a bit as well. All right, so that is the chorus. Now, then it loops towards the end of the chorus. It goes, I'll go from the love's the greatest, same again, that we have. I'm waiting for that feeling, waiting for that feeling, waiting for that feeling to come. And you would have seen there, we had our A going back to our, or sorry, it's A going back to the G, back to the A. Oh my baby, oh my baby, oh why, that's A, E, A. Now of course you can do open there if you wish, and E7 would sound kind of cool as well, it'd be a bit of a tweak. Oh my. The chord lengths there would be A, 2, 3, 4, and A, 2, 3, 4, then E, 2, 3, 4, A, 2, 3. Verse 2 is the same. Tis the ghost I love the most, hiding from the sun, waiting for the night to come. Tender is my heart, I'm screwing up my life. Lord, I need to find someone who can heal my mind. I'll play this section. Come on, come on, come on. Just to let you know how it sounds with the open chords. But we will have to go up to C sharp minor. Love's the greatest thing. Come on, come on, come on. Get through it. Come on, come on, come on. Love's the greatest thing. Loop that in. That we have. I'm waiting for that feeling. Waiting for that feeling. Waiting for that feeling to come. You can see how repetitive it is, but you know what? When the song is as cool as this, repetition is a great thing. And that is the whole song. I just looped down there. All that loops there towards the end, Graham's bit, the oh my baby, that bit will go on for 6 times. And oh my, if you're looking to have your own ending for it, or an idea for your own ending, just ending on A is good. And that is Tinder by Blur. So if you have any questions, of course, let me know. I'll be happy to help. Good options in it for like open chords and bar chords, whichever one you wish to do. I like to vary both. Like for example, if you're a player who relies heavily on open chords, I'd suggest this is a nice one to get into bar chords with, because it moves fairly slow and the rhythm is pretty straightforward. Now, if you're a person who really likes bar chords and you're getting a bit rusty on your open chords, then I'd flip it around as well. All right, thanks a million for watching. See you soon.